This is why you need the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 5G. It's not just a phone, it's a fashion statement that fits in your pocket. Ready to see what's flipping awesome about it? First off, let's talk design. Samsung has outdone themselves with a compact form that unfolds to reveal a stunning 6.7-inch AMOLED display. Yes, you heard that right. A full-size smartphone that tucks away into any small pocket. Next up, performance. Powered by the latest Snapdragon processor, this device isn't just about looks, it's a powerhouse. Whether you're gaming on the go or juggling multiple tasks, the Flip 6 handles it all with seamless ease. And for the shutterbugs? A state-of-the-art camera system that captures everything from breathtaking landscapes to stunning selfies. Flip it open, snap, and watch the likes roll in on social media. But here's the kicker: the battery life. Despite its compact size, it packs enough juice to keep you connected all day. And with super fast charging, you're back at 100% in no time. The future of smartphones is flipping fantastic, and it fits right in your hand or pocket. Don't just take our word for it, experience the magic yourself.